Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nepun here. So today I just got a lamp. It's a father-son combination lamp. So I'm trying to get it fixed. So I thought I could take that as a video and show it to you guys. So let's get into it. There you go. Let's get doing. So here's the lamp that I got. This is from Argos, and that's the father and child floor lamp that I have got. This is what I'm going to be using for my YouTube videos, in the sense like my lighting for the YouTube videos. So this is the stuff that I have, and I just open it from the box, and that's just what I get. So I just started taking a look at the instruction box, and it looks fairly simple. So fix that, fix this. I should probably have done that. Fix that, fix that, fix that, and that, that. So that's just it. So here you go. Let's get it going. Sorry guys, for some reason the video got stopped. It was just because the memory got full. So I've done the fix of the whole lamp. Here's the lamp that's completely fixed. I also went ahead and put a bulb in there, and there's another smaller bulb in there. I actually wanted to put a bulb as big as this one is. I hope you can see that, but then unfortunately the one that I have is a smaller one, but then I guess it is still okay. Anyway, it is just to show my face on YouTube a little clearer. That's the whole purpose of getting this thing. So I'm going to switch it on. Let's see how it works. So 1, 2, 3, voila. So that's nice. Oh, that's cool. Didn't expect it to be that nice. So all right, and that's how it is usually going to be focused. So I guess that's going to be pretty bright enough to show my face. Okay, cool. So all right, so that's the video for today, and thanks for watching. Keep subscribing. I know this is not a useful video, but then it's still fun. So keep subscribing, guys. Do hit the like button. So signing off for now. With love, Nepun.